Good afternoon, students. Here we are going to see how to find out the lambda cut set for the given relation. Here this relation R is given. Okay, relation R is given and you have to find out the four values of lambda cut set. This is the equation which value you have to consider. So you have to consider all value x, all elements x whose membership value is greater than equal to lambda. So in the first you have to find out the relation R for the value of lambda is equal to 1. Okay, so how you write down? You have to consider all elements whose value is greater than equal to 1. So 1 you have to consider first value 0.8 no, 0.3 no, 0.7 no, 0.8 no, 1 yes, 0.9 no, 1 yes, 0.3 no, 0.9 no, 1 yes, 0.6 no, 0.7 no, 1, 0.1 no, 0.6 no, and 1 yes. So what values we considered? We consider the values which are greater than equal to lambda. Now secondly, what you have to find out? You have to find out the lambda cut set relation for the value of lambda as 0.8. So what you have to consider? You have to consider all those elements whose value is greater than equal to 0.8. So let's start. 1 yes, 0.8 yes, 0.3 no, 0.7 no, 0.8 yes, yes, okay, 1 yes, 0.9 yes, 1 yes, 0.3 no, 0.9 yes, 1 yes, 0.6 no, 0.7 no, 0.1 no, 0.6 no, 1 yes. So what values we have considered? We have considered all those values which are greater than equal to 0.8. Next, what value you have to consider? You have to consider the value 0.6 for the lambda. So for R lambda 0.6, you have to consider all those elements x whose value is greater than equal to 0.6. Now let's start with the first. 1 yes, 0.8 yes, 0.3 no, 0.7 yes, 0.8 yes, 1 yes, 0.9 yes, 1 yes, 0.3 no, because 0.3 is less than 0.6. So we cannot consider 0. 0.9 yes, 1 yes, 0.6 yes. Why 0.6 yes? Because we have to consider all values greater than equal to 0.6. Okay, 0.7 yes, 0.1 no, 0.6 yes, 1 yes. Okay, now lastly you have to find out the relation R for the value of lambda as 0.3. Okay, so what you have to consider? You have to consider all the values except 0.1. Okay, you have to consider all the values except 0.1 because 0.1 is less than 0.3. So we cannot consider 0.1 in the lambda cut set. All other values are greater than equal to 0.3. So all other values you have to consider in the lambda cut set. This is very simple problem, but you have to remember this condition. You have to consider all elements x whose value is greater than equal to lambda. Okay, the considered value you have to represent them as 1 and the values which are not get considered you have to represent them as 0. That's it. Thank you.